So I'm going to show you how to load and save recipes here on our filler. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Setup menu. Once we're in Setup menu, our load and save recipe button's right here. We cannot click on it until we enter our security code, which is 5541. Also, the last four E-PAK's phone number. Once we enter that code, we can then click on our load and save recipe. Here we can scroll through 0 to 50. To save a recipe, let's say I want to save under recipe 3. I'm going to go to number 3 here and hit save. I want to change the name of it, so I'm going to, let's save it as test. Once I enter the name of the recipe, I hit enter, and then hit save one more time, and the test will pop up here confirming that that recipe is saved. If we wanted to change recipes and load a different recipe, we will scroll to, let's say, test 1 here, which is recipe 4, and we're going to hit load. This shows that we're confirming that we want to load recipe 1, or excuse me, test 1. We're going to hit load, and that recipe is now loaded. To show what recipe we are working on, we're going to go back to our main screen and then begin production. And up here it says file loaded, test 1.